Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas outdoor pots, some creative decoration ideas I will share you. So viewers, let's start today's video. Friends, evergreen welcome pots idea. Fill a large outdoor pots with beans, branches, red berries and pink cones. Add fairy lights or a big red bow on top. A grand welcome of evergreen and lights. This outdoor Christmas pot brings the spirit of the holiday to your doorstep. Red and golden luxury pots use golden beans, red ornaments and glitter leaves arranged in a tall black or frozen pots. Snow winter pots spray the greenery with artificial snow and white branches and decorate with silver ornaments and lights. Classic red bow pots are simple evergreen pot water with a large red velvet bow or a field with pink cones and ornaments. Light swing pots arrange bridge or wheels below. Twin with swing lights inside a pot. Add evergreen around the base for warm. Candy cash pot use red and white stick candies, can and fake snow for a playful sweets theme. Light and pot viewers, place a lantern in the center of a large pot filled with greenery, red berries and add candles or LED lights inside. Rustic wooden pots use a wooden threads and release a pots filled with branches, pink cones and burlap ribbon for a rustic country looks. And weaver silver and white clay pots combine silver leaves, white fantasia and forest trees in a metal pot for an elegant modern look. Weavers, so viewers, I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel and thank